Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about plyometric training and how you can incorporate it into your program once you have been physically active for 6 months and longer, and if you have improved your technique and form. Plyometric training is used to increase strength, speed, and power. This means it's not recommended to do these exercises if you have any medical conditions or any joint problems. This means you have to get clearance from your doctor or your physical therapist before doing these exercises. Plyometric means doing maximum intensity of an exercise in a short period of time. What this means is that normal exercises take the muscle in its lengthening and shortening phase in longer periods compared to plyometric exercises, which take the lengthening and the shortening of a muscle in fast and short bouts. So now I'm going to show you 3 exercises that is going to prime your body in order for it to be prepared for plyometric training. First, you're going to take jump ropes. What you're going to do is you're going to take 10 jumps. You're going to repeat it for 2 sets. You're going to stay light on your toes and soft landing every time you're jumping. What this does is it teaches your body to work your hands, your feet, and your eyes all together to be coordinated when you're actually going to perform real jumps. The second exercise is called a bodyweight tuck jump. What you're going to do is you're going to take your hands and you're going to place them in front of you facing down. You're going to go down into a squat, and from there you're going to power up so that your knees meet where your hands are. From there you're going to land lightly on the toes of your feet and making sure that you land trying not to make a loud sound. If the sound is not too loud, then you're doing it right. So the third exercise is called a TRX pop-up. You're gonna need to set up a TRX onto a post. And then from here, once you set up the TRX, you're gonna place your hands close in front of you, go down into a squat, and from here, once everything is closed in, you're gonna pop up onto your toes and slowly come in. Make sure that you're not making a loud sound when you're coming up and when you're coming down. So in order for you to do plyometric training, make sure you're doing these 3 exercises for 10 repetitions each at 3 sets. Make sure you're not doing over 100 repetitions in one session. Make sure you're taking 48 to 72 hours of rest before your next plyometric session. Doing too much too fast can stress your joints, which may lead to an injury. If you have any more questions on plyometrics, contact us at SNU.